Are you looking for the best cupcake liners? My wife just made some right here using these Tulip cupcake liners, and I wanted to show these things off to you guys today. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys handing that out for me right there. So this is the Baker's Signature Tulip cupcake liners right here. It does come in the 4 colors, and to show this off to you guys, she used these 4 colors. They already went through the oven. They've been heated up and everything, and they kept their color very, very nicely. So if you're doing this for like a party and you want to be able to have all these colors kind of popping all over the place on the table and whatnot, this is a great way to do that. And I really like how the cupcake liner pokes up above the cupcake, because it just adds a little bit more flair to it, something a little bit different from your traditional cupcakes. Now, the other thing that I like about this is whenever you go to take the cupcakes out, because with traditional, just those small little like tinfoil cupcake liners, you got to like dig down underneath the top and try to pull the thing up out of there. With these, all you have to do is pinch the sides and pull up, and then you have your cupcake right on out of there, and it is awesome. As far as pulling the cupcake away from the paper, works pretty much just like any other type of cupcake liner right there. You just simply pull it on back. Of course, you're going to have a little bit of the little bit left on there, but it pulls back nicely, and then you have a beautiful cupcake right there to be able to enjoy. So if y'all are looking for some excellent cupcake liners that come in all these different colors and whatnot, this is definitely the ones that you guys should go and get right here. This is 200 cups. I believe that they have other boxes with either one, different colors. So if there's a certain color scheme that you're going for, certain colors that you want, you can go choose that, or the amount of liners in there as well, because you may not need 200 of them. Definitely go and check out the product listing below, and you guys can go through all the different options that they have available on there. That way you guys can go and pick the one that's going to be the best for your situation. Whenever you do get them, they have like a little cardboard sleeve right there, so they don't lose their shape while they're being shipped. Then it just comes in a nice big giant sleeve like this with all the different colors in there. So super cool. Like I said, y'all should go and grab y'all some of these if this is something that you want. It says, our goal at Baker's Signature is to make sure every customer is satisfied with our products and services. And then they'll make it right if it's not. Y'all go grab y'all some of those and make sure to get it in the right color that you want. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And Dad out.